Adding funds to your Facebook ads account is crucial for running and managing advertising campaigns effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide to adding funds. Log in, sign into your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. Go to Billing. Click on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Billing or Payments from the drop-down. Select Payment Settings. In the Billing section, click on Payment Settings or Payment Methods. Add Payment Method. Click on Add Payment Method. You can choose to add a credit or debit card, PayPal, or another payment option supported by Facebook. Input payment information. Enter your payment details such as credit card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. For PayPal, you will be directed to log into your PayPal account. Save payment method. Click Save or Add payment method to confirm the addition. Enable auto recharge. If desired, enable auto recharge by setting a minimum balance threshold. This ensures that your account automatically adds funds when it reaches the specified limit. Check balance. Go back to the billing section to verify that your payment method has been added and funds are available for use. Monitor spending. Regularly monitor your ad spend to ensure your balance is sufficient for ongoing campaigns.